Member for Kelowna Mission.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, and thank you to the member opposite for bringing forward this important topic for discussion in the House today. Because addressing climate change and being good stewards of our planet and its natural environment are certainly priorities for all official parties in this legislature, and I'm glad to have the opportunity to respond to the members' comments. I am confident that although we may have different ideas of the path we need to get there, we all want a healthy planet, a healthy future for our children and their children. As the member rightly pointed out, this past Saturday was Earth Day with the theme, Invest in Our Planet. I appreciate this framing as it underlines the importance of thinking about our planet, not just as something that we can extract value from, but also as something that we can add value to if we care for it responsibly and remember that our actions have a profound impact on the world around us. Just as we prioritize investments in what we value, the theme this year was a call to prioritize our planet now and see the long-term view of these environmentally focused deposits into the future of our world. Because sometimes it's hard to maintain hope. It feels like we've already lost the battle, and the extremism and the futility of even trying simply overwhelms. But we need to do something. The devastating atmospheric rivers and floods of the past few years, the worsening forest fires that we continue to witness across our province, all point to a growing problem, and one that we must work together to address. Rhetoric is meaningless. Action and results is all that matters. Those of us in positions to impact policy, to create change, must take real action. It's going to take much more than words, promises, and announcements to solve climate change and create more resilient communities. We need a pragmatic and innovative approach that gives solutions that make sense in the unique context across our province. We need to spend and invest on what really makes a difference and what will give us the results that we need, and tackle this issue holistically. Yes, we need to be thinking about more safe, efficient, and accessible transit for the urban areas. But that doesn't do those in the north much good in January on a bike with a bike route. How about a zero-waste district energy system for the rural and remote communities? We need to seek better emissions lowering measures in each area and locale, taking into account the unique carbon footprint of every single area and contextualize our approach. Investing in our planet also means investing in what's working, in innovation and green energy solutions. Projects like Site C, which when finished will have the capacity to provide additional reliable clean energy for our province. These clean energy projects are key to transitioning our economy and investing in a greener future for our planet. But we need so many more projects like this, so many more, to support cleaner resource extraction and lower emissions for the general public, although hopefully future projects will be on time and on budget. Measures like a revenue-neutral carbon tax or expanding LNG help to cut down on global greenhouse gas emissions, all while growing our economy. And with a growing economy, we can invest more in alternative energy solutions and other strategies to address climate change that will help to secure the health of our planet for the long term. Taking care of the planet is our collective responsibility. We will all be negatively impacted by the continued progression of climate change, especially if we don't start taking more serious action to address it. And we will all benefit from the decision makers taking real steps to invest in our planet and make smart decisions for our future. And my hope is that together we can make our planet a priority and work to secure a bright future for generations to come. Truly, investing in our planet. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Member.